What's up?
You already filming?
Yeah, I'm shooting this Chevy C10 1972.
It's a beauty, isn't it?
It is.
You beat me here, man.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, this is this week's episode. 1972, Lance already told you. 1972 Chevy C10. Jesse is the owner, and he's waiting for us inside. Did you do the whole spiel about subscribe and follow to the show?
Not yet.
Okay, thank you for watching Cars, Shops, and Collections. If you like the show, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. If there's something you see that jumps out with one of the cars, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. So Jesse owns PCI Dealer Training. He teaches dealers here in Las Vegas. What a cool gig. And that truck, it just popped up on my Instagram feed, and I reached out to Jesse and asked if we can shoot it. He's like, yeah, come on down. So let's find Jesse. Jesse? No, you're fine. Jesse's inside. He owns a dealer school. He's teaching people how to deal cards. He needs a second. So, what's up, Jesse? How you doing, man?
Hey, JC.
Nice to meet you, buddy.
Nice to see you.
Thanks for having us. Can we see the truck?
Absolutely.
Let's do it, man. Nice school, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
Let's do it.
Hey, I'm Jesse. I'm a huge car enthusiast. This is my 1972 C10.
Here we go. To start it, let's listen. This is key. Let's hear how it sounds. There's I haven't seen it, but I'm guessing there's some muscle underneath that hood right there. It sounds great, my man. It looks great and sounds great. So let's talk about it. Okay, when did you get it?
So I got her about 2 years ago. She was picked up from a friend of mine in Montana. It was just a total farm truck. Everything was stock. The patina is natural patina. Just been rained on and dripped on for many, many years. And
were you looking for, because this is a well-desired truck, the Generation 2 of the C10s. Were you looking for a C10? Were you looking for a truck? What were you looking for at the time?
I was looking for a C10, and I was really interested in the patina look.
Yeah, and it has it too.
Yep.
So it's orange, white.
Yeah, so my buddy picked her up in Montana and brought her out to Vegas, and I asked to have her lowered a little bit, put these wheels, these particular tires on it. I added the wood bed, the leather interior, the wood steering wheel, and then and then he dropped the LS engine in there.
I was gonna say, when you started, there was something underneath there. So let's do a couple of things. Let's pop the hood so we can take a look underneath it, so we can look at the engine. And I also wanted to look. I love the grille of the Generation 2. It's the 8-crate kind of grille here. You got the Chevy bow tie up front. To me, that is such a cool. Whoa!
Now,
this was his idea to do this work on it.
Yeah, not a lot of people can tell that this is a LS unless you really, really know, because we added this to make it look like more of a stock 350 or whatever. Mm-hmm. But yeah, that's a total LS hidden under there.
That looks good. That looks real good. Do you know how many horsepower?
She's about 400.
400 in a 1972 C10. This thing's got some muscle behind it. Man, Jesse, this looks so good. Let's do the interior and see some of the work that you did. So when you got it, was it traditional Benz, like a 60-40 type split?
Yep. It was.
All right, so we have custom seats here inside here. All this work here is custom work. Same with the steering wheel.
That's by TMI Interior. They do TMI products. They do all the interior, the door panels, the dash cover, and then he added, my buddy that built the truck, he added the Dakota Digital and the...
This looks, looking at it too, the leather that you put in, it feels great. It looks great, but it looks kind of worn too. It kind of feels the vibe of the truck. The paint on the inside, is this the original orange paint?
It is, well, it's the original color, but it's been touched up.
You got the AC added as well. This is slick, man. This is
the
really
AC is
nice.
from Vintage Air.
And so this was the wood bed was added as well?
Yes. I 100% wanted a wood bed.
It adds to the look.
That was
Open?
a big deal for me. And then he put the gas tank in the middle.
Now my C10
a lot of
knowledge,
people,
was this always in the middle? Or did you just have this?
No, the C10, no, the C10 would have had it on the
Oh, that's
passenger
right. Yeah, 'cause
side.
the gas tank behind the
seat.
seats. Yeah, which was always weird to me, having a gas tank right behind your seat. This doesn't seem like the safest thing in the world.
Yeah, so not only did we get rid of that, but we added me leg room because I'm 6'2".
You're a tall guy, yeah.
So we put it there. A lot of people that do these builds on the C10s, they either put the gas tank there or they have a really cool thing where they kind of pop out the brake light, and there's a
Kind of like the 57 Chevy where you got to pop open the tail light.
Yeah,
to get your,
old school.
Yeah,
Old school.
exactly. That's real old school.
So
This, I mean, this is such a desired truck because, I mean, pickup trucks in the 60s, I think that's when they kind of became more like the personal vehicle. They're always the work truck, but in the 60s and 70s, they became a personal vehicle, your personal daily ride. And this is such a desired truck that you have,
yes,
man.
sir.
Can we go for a ride?
Absolutely.
All right, I don't know where you're gonna, again, one of these situations, Lance, where you're gonna sit. I don't think you can sit in the back because we're here, the Palms Hotel is behind us. This is Flamingo Road right here. It's a busy time of day, plus it's monsoon season and we're trying to beat the rain tonight, so maybe you hang back from the ride along, Lance, and just Jesse and I take it first spin?
Yeah,
All
I'll
right.
chill.
You chill here.
Yeah.
Go learn how to deal in his dealer school.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'm gonna go play some cards.
Play some cards.
Okay, we'll see you guys later.
All right. We're gonna beat I think we're gonna beat the rain, Jesse. But this is your daily driver. This thing's not afraid of rain.
This definitely not afraid of rain. She's seen everything.
As it should be, right? Do you know any of the backstory of the truck? Like who, the person who bought it from, how long they had it for?
It literally was a one owner truck in Montana, and it was a farm truck. They used it to go to the store and get hay or whatever for their vehicle, and it sat, when it wasn't being used, it just sat there and got kind of patinaed out, which is what I wanted.
Yeah. Now I had a discussion with Jason Aker from Fast and Loud about trucks like this when he was at Barrett Jackson, and the discussion of like, do you like to go high or do you like to go low when it comes to your truck? And so you wanted to go low. Was there ever a thought of taking the truck high?
No, never thought of going high. I've always been a lower type vehicle. Love it like this. I may even go bags sometime in the near future and put her on the ground. There's a couple other C10s here in Vegas that are, you know, they put the bags on and drop it right on the seat.
Yeah,
I love that.
I'm like one of the only guys I love it low. This is an incredible truck, but there's something about the high that I just love.
You know, there's definitely, everyone's got their own niche and what they like and dislike, just like kind of like with the patina. There's a lot of people when I cruise around in Vegas that love the patina, and then there's other people that are like, so when are you gonna paint that? And I'm like, I'm not painting it. This is my baby. This is the way I wanted it. Everything that's done to this truck is exactly how I want it. But I've got nothing against lifted trucks at all.
There's a place for all of them.
Yeah, everyone's got their thing. And I love all vehicles.
Now, a truck like this, it's an attention grabber. How many people come up to you and take pictures? How many people come up and say, when we're out there shooting, someone came up and said, is it for sale? How many people come up and want to buy this thing?
Every day.
Uh-huh.
Every day I get asked if this is for sale. And I love the attention, and I love the fact that people are asking if it's for sale, but it's just not for sale. Not at this time.
So do you have a favorite movie or TV car?
I always loved Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds, and I love the Mustang and Bullet, which I got to see in real life.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I got to see that at SEMA in Vegas the year before the pandemic. They had Bullet here. Are you familiar with that car?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Steve McQueen. Yep.
I was thinking you might say Fall Guy truck.
Yeah, the Fall Guy truck, that's cool. Yeah, so far both the cars I mentioned are Mustangs, but I can't think off the top of my head a really cool C10 that was in movies or TV.
Perfect. Not bad at all, man. We kind of beat the rain too a little bit. Started coming down a little bit, man. Jesse, thank you so much for sharing your truck with us, man. Appreciate it.
My pleasure.
That's awesome, man. Thanks a lot. Thanks
you.
for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. If you want your car, shop, or collection featured on the show, then shoot us an email at carshopsandcollections@gmail.com. That's carshopsandcollections@gmail.com. And thanks for watching, and be sure and subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes of Cars, Shops, and Collections.